Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Sunday reset routine. So today actually is Sunday, and I figured I'd take you guys along what a typical Sunday is like for me. Not normally, I would not always do all this stuff that I am doing, because sometimes on Sunday I just do absolutely nothing. But since this week I actually have a 3-day weekend, because Monday is Martin Luther King Day. Plan Monday as like my Sunday where I'm gonna do nothing, and today is gonna be like my Saturday where I have things to do. So I actually found this app, Minimalist. I found this app called Minimalist. I have this widget. I can put a widget and put my to-do list right there. So I made a to-do list of things I want to get done. Some of it I already done already, which I was very proud of myself. I already made my iPhone thumbnail on my phone. I did it when I woke up. And I actually just started my laundry, so we can cross that out. Film, Sunday reset, that, I want to film that. As you can see, so I'm filming my Sunday reset. So today's plan is to edit a vlog and a thumbnail. I want to get that scheduled up, schedule mine what's on my iPhone. Rough cut another video that maybe I'll edit tomorrow too. I'll see how I feel, and clean my room and finish organizing my stuff. I might not like organize, but I'll put things away. Do that, and I want to unsubscribe to Prime because for some reason they noticed that I'm not a student anymore. So I do not want to pay $13 or whatever the price is. I was paying $7. $7 was good, but $13 I'm like, we'll wait till we get our master's to resubscribe. Hopefully that will be like sometime like September. We'll start that again. So that is the plan. It's really not a lot. And so things I already did, I mentioned I did my laundry, which I was proud of. That is the plan for today. I'll probably have some time lapses. My room is a mess. I kind of don't want to show you guys right now, but I think I'm going to edit from my desk right now and move things away. Now, 2:34, so I'm hoping by 4:30, the latest, I'll be done with editing and all this, most of the stuff I want to get done. So that is my plan for evening, and tomorrow, nothing. So just watch YouTube. There's so many YouTube videos I want to watch and stuff, so that was that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start heating up a little bit, and yes. So hey guys, so it's now later. It's now 3:45. I think the video is pretty much done. I do have to add some music, watch it back one more time, and then export it. But I'm really liking how this video turned out. This is my daily life as a small YouTuber, content creator, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm gonna call it content creator because I ended up filming like TikToks in this video that I edited, and I honestly think it was definitely different than my normal vlogs. It was definitely enjoyable to edit, so I think you guys will definitely like it. And I show you guys a little like how I import my footage and all of that stuff. I give you guys some tips and tricks, so that should be really fun to watch during the video. So kind of like a preview for you guys. So like as you guys see, I like have some montages and like can't like I did a little editing on, a little filming on my phone at the end, but mostly it was filmed on the camera. Section already. I'm just gonna add the music, watch it back, do the thumbnail, and then I can check it off. And then I actually think I'm gonna rough cut another video. Maybe finish it today too, I don't know. We're just on a roll. I'm really proud of myself so far during now, and I think in about 15 minutes-ish, we'll have a snack. And yeah, I'm starting to get hungry again. As you guys saw, I had cereal for breakfast. So yeah, I hope you guys are liking it. So soon we'll be able to check this off. And okay, so video is now exporting right now. I think I can see exporting. Great. I will be editing another video in just a little bit. I had a snack, and honestly, I exported the video fully, but for some reason, when I watched it, like for something, I noticed that the end card and then the buy part was like switch. I don't know why. what happens. So now I feel like kind of re-export it, so totally okay. So I figured I will do a time lapse of me cleaning up my room. Honestly, it's not that bad. I just did like throw things away, little things, just clean it up, move things around, and honestly, it's not that bad. My room, I do have to go finish my laundry. So I already crossed some things off on the to-do list, which is great. I did edit the vlog and the thumbnail. I did that on my phone. The thumbnail, I scheduled my video as you guys saw. I did laundry, which I just need to finish. I edited my iPhone thumbnail, and now we have been filming, so I guess we can cross that off, but I'll cross it off a little later. Right now we're gonna go organize my room, finish organizing the room up, put some things away. Let's just pause it, re-record, and just put you guys over here so you guys can just see me cleaning up my room. Okay, so my room is now like clean. I just bring these things down and just put it away, but room is clean now. I still have to like deal with this. This is just bad, but I want to go through it one more time, and I want to put this blanket up in the closet. But yeah, but it's pretty much clean, which is good. Now I think I'm gonna bring this stuff down, put in the garbage, brought some garbage from my garbage, and just wait for this video to finish exporting, and hit another video. And yeah, I think I'll check up with you guys later tonight, maybe like another hour or so, and then end the vlog. Yeah, we like to just try to, I really want to try and make sure my room is clean for the work week before I start, because it's just so much better than having everything all messed up, because I always seem to have so much stuff on my desk, like either papers for work or paper, or like just random things. Like I had my jewelry stuff because I was filming a video and things like that. I just want to try and make sure the desk is ready for the work week normally on Monday, but this week it's actually Tuesday. I'll catch you guys later tonight in a couple hours. So I'm just gonna do that, go finish this cleaning up, and yeah. Now 7 o'clock. It is a little while later. We edited another video. We edited how I edit my thumbnail video. I don't know yet how I want to do that thumbnail per se. I have to just like look. Sometimes what I do to get inspiration is I look up other videos, like the new videos, and I will look and see what they do and like try to get inspiration from them. I wouldn't like copy, but at least get the inspiration that I want. So I'm definitely gonna look at that. Right now I'm gonna be organizing my playlist and make sure all videos are organized to the way I want, because I know it's really good to have all your playlists organized, and then I can just, oh hey, check out other vlogs or this and that. So I want to make sure that all my vlogs are in one place and things like that. Here it is now almost 8 o'clock. I actually done a lot more stuff today than I thought I was gonna do. Honestly, I thought I was only gonna be doing stuff for a couple hours, but I kept just being on the computer and like editing, and I just want to get things organized and everything. So I'm gonna put my computer away for today and tomorrow. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna use it tomorrow. I might, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Google Garage digital tomorrow for maybe like 20 minutes, I might just do that, but that's really maybe the only thing I'll do. And the vlog here, it is, like I said, is 7:45 now. I am tired for some reason to be done doing any type of work or anything. Computer work, I am done. YouTube stuff actually really does take up a lot of time, even if you're not like a big YouTuber. I know like big YouTubers, they have like emails they have to do and this and that, all like that. And even if you're a small YouTuber, I noticed that you still have a lot to do even though you don't have any of that type of stuff. I'm gonna go take a shower, which is another thing I normally do on Sunday nights, is I take a shower before bed and just relax for the night. Tomorrow, like I said, tomorrow is Martin Luther King Day, and I don't have work tomorrow, so that's great. So today is technically my Saturday. So I did a lot of stuff. Normally on Saturdays I end up doing a lot of stuff anyway, and try to get things done, but I just didn't do that yesterday. I meant to get like a lot of things done yesterday, but it just didn't happen. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.